What's up guys, it's your favorite Pick Instant back with another cool video for all of us. Today's video is on the top 5 best sewing machines for kids. It may be challenging to identify the most cost-effective products when purchasing various goods. I narrowed down hundreds of products based on a few standards and ranked them in this video to make your decision easier. These are just some of my favorite items that I use on a regular basis. So sit back and relax while I tell you about these amazing pieces of products. Please do check the product link in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 5. Sewn Sparrow. Now, this is the machine stuffed with features yet easy to use. The computerized sewn Sparrow 30 performs both sewing and embroidering. You can choose from 310 built-in stitches in total, including 2 full alphabets for lettering and monogramming, 32 utility and 84 decorative stitches. For kids who have the passion for embellishing their belongings, it is a great choice. While discovering the world of creativity, a child usually wants more and more options, so this investment will fill the bill. The width of the decorative stitches can be set up as desired. The memory function allows saving stitch combinations and settings and use them afterward. In addition, such features as the automatic needle threader and cutter and adjustable presser foot pressure make the sewing much easier and more fun for kids. The slider on the front gives full control of the sewing speed, which is the easiest type of speed control for children. In the box, there are 7 standard pressure feet for different purposes. The accessories coming with the machine make sewing a breeze. The only flaw of the machine is that, whereas sewing machines by Brother & Singer have a 25-year limited warranty, the Sewn machines are backed by a 10-year limited warranty on mechanical parts and a 1-year warranty on electronics. But we think that the difference of the mechanics warranty may be not important because after 10 years of active usage, children, or teenagers, will probably want to replace the device with more modern one. However, when it comes to electronics, the 1-year warranty is not long enough. Altogether, the Sewn Sparrow 30 has everything that an accomplished sewer needs, so it is recommended to buy this product for kids who already have a positive experience in sewing and like to use gadgets. Many children are more experienced in computerized devices than their parents are, and for young users this model will be just perfect. If a child is not interested in a smartphone or tablet, the feature-loaded device may be intimidating for them. Number 4. Brother Sewing Machine. The Brother XM2701 offers a wide variety of built-in stitches and stitch functions. For more accomplished sewers, the machine will be a helping tool for creating personal designs and sewing projects. But for beginners, especially for young ones, some of the features may be unnecessary. The list of built-in stitches includes blind hem, quilting, stretch, zigzag stitches, and many decorative types of stitches. The working area is illuminated with LED light that is bright yet not annoying. The sewing machine provides some other ease-of-use features such as the jam-resistant top drop-in bobbin and the built-in needle threader. The product comes with 6 quick-change special-purpose feet. From the professional's point of view, for children under 12 years old, it is better to choose models with the speed-regulating button and not with the feet. That's why some buyers consider this feature as a minus. However, if your child is good with the feet speed control and already has some basic knowledge of sewing machines, then the Brother XM2701 is a right choice. The product is backed by a 25-year limited warranty that is long enough to cover the potential repair. The machine comes with the instructional DVD and user manual in both English and Spanish. In addition, the Brother Company provides a free hotline for technical support. Number 3. Singer Start. With only 6 built-in stitches, the Singer Start 1304 is a go-to option for beginners. Kids who just start learning how to sew usually don't need a wide variety of built-in stitches or other functions. They need simple basic features and a user-friendly design, and the machine offers exactly these advantages. The stitches have preset length and width, and the machine comes ready to sew, so you can just turn it on, choose one of the stitches, and start a sewing process. The bobbin winding system is simple and automatic, so even a kid can get along with it. One of the super important features that even a simple machine should have is a free arm. The free arm is made for sewing tubes of fabric such as pants hems or sleeves. The Singer Start 1304 has the easy-to-use free arm, and your kids will have no problem with learning how to make a perfect sleeve for a shirt or jacket. The device has no built-in needle threader and the foot pedal speed control. This is a minus for young inexperienced novices. Nonetheless, children will enjoy sewing with a little help from grown-ups. Due to its light weight, the model is portable and kids can easily move it and even take it to sewing classes. In the case of an accident, if the machine drops on the leg, it will not cause serious harm. The Singer Start 1304 is made by Singer, a company that is famous all over the world for its high-quality products and custom-friendly technical support. The sewing machine comes with a 25-year limited warranty. Number 2. Singer Talent. The Singer Talent 3323S is good for passionate novices. It has 23 built-in decorative and utility stitches to customize a child's design. The stitch length and width are adjustable. Thanks to the high-pressure foot lifter, the machine can sew through several layers of thick or bulky fabrics. It features the automatic needle threader that threads the eye of a needle for you and protects eyes from fatigue. In addition, there is an easy-to-use one-step buttonholer. A variety of accessories includes one general-purpose presser foot and 3 special-purpose feet for a zipper, button sewing, and buttonhole. The device is good for children with little experience in sewing, especially for those who want to join sewing classes. This lightweight model is portable and offers all basic functions with some additional like high piercing power for a blind hem. The only disadvantage of the device is the foot pedal speed control that is comfortable for children older than 7 years. Singer is known worldwide for the outstanding quality of products and long-term warranties. The Singer Talent 3323S is backed with a 25-year limited warranty. The company also provides beginners-friendly customer support. Number 1. Genome Pink. The Genome D047252S Pink Sorbet is extremely easy to use due to the tutorial videos, including the quick start guide and built-in bobbin diagram. The machine features 15 built-in stitches, so kids can customize their design. The front-loading bobbin system makes the access to bobbin very easy. Thanks to the heavy-duty metal frame, the device is durable and steady yet lightweight. This means that children can take their portable sewing machine to friends' home and create a craft together. The LED light illuminates the working space and protects the eyes from fatigue. The product has only 2 disadvantages. The first is the foot pedal for controlling stitch speed. Despite many positive reviews, some of the younger children may not be okay with that. The second minus is the manual thread tension control. However, with a little help from parents, children get along with the system easily. The machine has a long list of advantages, including the removable free arm, 3-piece feed dog system, adjustable stitch length and zigzag width. In addition, there are 4 feet such as a zipper, for step buttonhole, blind hem and general purpose foot. With the machine come a 25-year limited warranty and a bunch of accessories. Compared to other manufacturers, Genome is one of the best in the market, so buying one of its products, you make a good investment. The sewing machine was designed with novices in mind, so it would be ideal for kids of any age. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section, and don't forget to check out the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.